Have you concluded that natural hair is not for you? Have you concluded that thicker hair, healthy hair is not for you? Have you concluded that bush hair is not for you? Have you concluded that home remedies are not for you? Do you want to give up on your natural hair? You have tried a lot of things, they are not working for you, and you decide to give up on your natural hair. Please don't give up yet, okay? Watch this video to the end. This recipe I'm about to share with you will give you a reason to take care of your hair. We give you encouragement to take care of your hair. This recipe from now to the end of December, you're going to see how your hair will grow like crazy, thickening up. Your hair will be too thick for you to handle. So if you want to achieve that before ending of this year, please watch this video to the end. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. This amount of rice I'll be making use of, this little amount of rice I'll be making use of, and this type of rice I also have at home. So use any rice you have at home, so far that is white rice, you are good to go. So I'm transferred to another bowl for washing process. So next thing, I pour in my water to wash it, okay? It's very important you follow this step. Do not skip this step, okay? So that you're not going to cause another harm to yourself, to your hair or your scalp, okay? So wash it out to remove dots, dirty, and the preservative they used to preserve this rice. So this step is very necessary. You can choose to wash your rice once, you can choose to wash it twice. It depends on how dirty and dusty your rice is. So after washing it, I strain out the water, bring in my pot, transfer my rice into the pot. After putting the rice, my next ingredient is gloves. Okay, so I'll be making use of 1.5 tablespoons of gloves. If you don't know gloves, if you have not been incorporating gloves on your hair, after today's video you give it a second thought. And also, if you don't normally use rice on your hair, after today's video you will see a best way to use rice on your hair for best results. Okay, if rice water have not been doing it for you, this recipe your hair will never reject this recipe. So just keep on watching, just sit down, grab your seat and keep on watching to see how I prepare this recipe and also how to use it. So I transfer in my water, okay, enough water to cover the ingredients. Okay, next thing, now I'll transfer it into a fire. Okay, boil it in low flame light. Like as always said, I boil it in low flame light only about 5 minutes. Okay, in low flame light. So this is how it is. It's already started boiling. I will stir it around a little bit and I go away and I stir it around again. Once it's 5 minutes mark, I'll bring it down for you to see the best results of this. Do not use it immediately. Allow this to sit overnight or allow it to sit for 12 hours. Then the nutrients of the rice will really extract into the water, and also the gloves will really release the nutrients into the water to make this very potent, very powerful. Don't use it immediately. Allow it to sit for overnight or 12 to 8 hours. So after leaving my own for overnight, guys, see what I got so far. Do you see the water color have changed very well? The water have gotten more darker. If you want this recipe to be very potent, if you want this recipe to grow your hair from now to the end of December, please follow up the way I instruct you on this video so that you're going to see that best result that you need to see in this recipe. And please keep on watching. Do not skip any part of this video. I will tell you the best way to use this recipe for massive hair growth, for bush and thicker hair. Guys, if you follow the instruction, the tips, how to use it, you will never regret using this recipe. And if you really want to thicken up your hair, you want to grow that bushy hair before ending of this year, before December we go down, please keep on watching. I've transferred mine into my spray bottle for easy application. This is how the tea spray is looking like. Do you see how darker the tea spray is? This tea spray is so marvelous. This tea spray is miracle tea spray. This tea spray will transform your hair from thinny to thick hair. If you follow up exactly the tips I'm about to share with you, you will never regret using this tea spray on your hair. This is how my hair is look like. This tea spray, I've been using it for a while now, and I have seen a great change on my hair. This spray is one of the recipes that have grown my hair like crazy, and also my daughter hair. This spray is what you can never regret trying. If rice water have not been doing it for you, if you don't like using rice water, this one is the best way to use and get that massive result, get that massive growth that you desire of. So this is the stage of my hair. How to use this recipe? There's two ways you can use this recipe for massive crazy hair growth. If today is your first time stopping by in this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by to watch this amazing video. You're not going to regret it here. Join this beautiful family by subscribing, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that you will not be missing out my amazing videos. Okay, thank you so much and welcome to the family. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always come back to watch my video. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much. So please help me to like this video so that this video can get to more people. This video is a solution video. This video will help a lot of people. There's 1,000 people that need to see this video to help them for their hair, to help them grow their hair thicker before ending of this year. Okay, and also leave a comment in comment section below. Okay, so let me tell you how to use this recipe for best results. There's two ways you are going to use this recipe to grow your hair like crazy. First of all, it uses as a final thin rinse. Use this spray to rinse your hair. Why I do not do that large quantity? Because I don't want to demonstrate of thin rinse here. If you want to make this tea spray as your thin rinse, please make a larger quantity. Okay, make a larger quantity so that it can saturate your hair very well. Okay, so use this spray after shampooing your hair. Bend down your hair, pour this spray, make sure that this spray soak your hair very well. Massage that beautiful scalp very well, and use your heat cap or your shower cap, cover up your hair. Allow your hair to start some heat for 30 minutes. Okay, once the 30 minutes mark, remove it. If you choose, you can rinse it out, but if you are rinsing it out, please, the secret is do not rinse it out thoroughly. Rinse it out a little bit and let's reserve some on your hair. I repeat, do not rinse it out thoroughly. Reserve some on your hair and moisturize your hair. Please moisturize your hair with your good moisturizer and you are good to go. Second way to use this recipe, the way I'm showing you here now, as a tea spray, as a leave-in tea spray. Okay, apply this on your hair and on your scalp. Follow up with your moisturize. Make sure you moisturize your hair so that you not come and say your hair is started drying. Please moisturize your hair. Okay, so after moisturizing your hair, make sure that you give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Massage your scalp so that the product can penetrate very well into your scalp. Okay, and if your hair is low porosity, like as I always said, if you have low porosity hair, please heat up this tea a little bit. Let it be a little bit warm before you can apply it on your hair, whether final thin rinse or leave-in tea spray. Okay, in these two recipe, anyone you choose to use it, make sure that it's a little bit warm so that it can help your hair cuticles to be open. Okay, after then, cover your hair and also leave it for 20 minutes. Leave it, remove the once it's 20 minutes mark, remove the nylon or your steamy cap. Allow your hair to dry. If you're using this tea spray as a leave-in tea spray, you can use this tea spray 2 times in a week. Consistent 2 times in a week. Before ending of the December, you see how your hair will be too thick for you to handle. You see how your hair will grow like crazy. Guys, I'm not kidding, I'm not exaggerating, I'm telling you the honest truth. You did this spray consistent 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week, you're going to see how your hair will grow like crazy. If you're using this as a final thin rinse, also the same thing, 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week, and you're going to see how crazy results you will see. Your hair will grow like never before. Your hair will thicken up. Your hair will too thick for you to handle. Okay, I hope that you're going to try this recipe. I hope that I hope you find this video helpful. Please help me to share this video so that we can get to more people. This video needs to get to 1,000 people out there that need to solve their hair problem, that need to see a great change on their hair before they enter into 2025. This recipe is a recipe that you need to use before you cross into 2025, and after crossing into 2025, you can still continue using this recipe. Continue using this recipe from January to ending of January. Guys, your hair, you will testify. You run and come back and tell me thank you. I'm not kidding. Okay, I just want to share this great recipe for you guys, for you to get the good results, so that you stop complaining of slow hair growth, you stop complaining of hair shedding, you stop complaining of hair stagnant, you stop complaining for itching scalp or bristle hair. Okay, this recipe will help you a lot. This is how my hair is looking like. Okay, yes, I'm not show you how I cover my butt. Definitely I cover my hair. I don't want this video to be too long, so I've come to the end of today's video. If there's anything I do not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below. I'll definitely going to cover it up with there. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.